at me. Eh.
Hey kid, what are you looking at? Get out of here. Anyway, back to our date.
Hey! Why are we in the fridge?
Because this place is cool.
Ella, I'm telling you, the hamsters are in the fridge. Becca, they're in jail. See? They're not even there. They're not in there, Becca. Maybe you're just imagining things or something. But I saw them earlier. This place is much better.